Hi and welcome to Vicky's Precious Petals. Today we're going to do a little bit of ChatGPT. This is for members only. So this is just a basic, like, where do we start? So what I'm doing here is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me write the description and the title for a new video that I'm going to put up. So just here, we're going to hit use the voice mode.
So, hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
So I'm just going to log in. Hi, can you help me with my video for YouTube again, please?
Of course, happy to help. Just let me know the details of the video you're working on and what you need, whether it's a title, description, tags, thumbnail ideas, or anything else. Just give me the scoop and we'll get started.
Okay, I need the whole thing. So I will need a title, I need the description, I need tags, I need hashtags. So what I have been doing is I have created a video on how to use tumblers for polishing rocks and gems. So this has taken quite some weeks to actually put together because each stage requires a week of tumbling, and then we clean the stones in between with some flakes, some soap flakes, and let that run for a day. Then we move to the next stage. So it's taking quite some time.
Absolutely, I can put all of that together for you. It sounds like a really thorough video and we can highlight that process nicely. Beginner's Guide to Rock Tumbling, how to polish stones and gems step by step. In this video, I'll show you the complete process of using a rock tumbler to polish rocks and gemstones. This is a beginner-friendly guide that takes you through each stage, from rough stones to beautifully polished gems. Each tumbling stage takes about a week, and I'll explain how to wash and prep your stones between stages using soap flakes. By the end, you'll have stunning polished stones, perfect for jewelry, resin projects, or even adding a special touch to your candles. Tags: rock tumbling, how to polish rocks, gemstone polishing, beginner rock tumbling, DIY gemstones, polished stones tutorial, jewelry making, candle decorations. Hashtags: rock tumbling, gemstone polishing, DIY jewelry, crafting tutorial, beginner crafts, polished rocks, resin crafts, candle baking. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
So in this section here, I have closed off the voice. So you can see all, so I can just do a copy paste of all of this, and this is just as simple as talking, as if you were talking to somebody sitting next to you or a friend on the phone just asking for some help, and it will come back with all of these. So you can see here there's been a list of different things. I had a lot of trouble with my microphone there at one stage. So just here, like, you can see where we've had a chat backwards and forwards, and it helped me go through all the steps of trying to work out what was going on with my microphone. That actually is something, it is on here, microphone troubleshooting. There we go. Here it is. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. So this gave me all the physical checks for my microphone that wasn't working. So you can actually type in as well. You don't have to have a microphone. So if you don't have one, that's all right. You can do this on your phone as well. So this is actually on my computer. And now I'm just going to, so this should give you a basic outline of how to do everything. So if you see down here, all you need to do is click this little symbol here to dictate. Use voice mode, which is just here. So, and that takes you back. So you click that, takes you back here, and you can have a chat. Close it off, go back to all the typing, which is just a copy paste. It is so easy to use. So this is for our members only, and this is only the first step of how to use Chat GPT for beginners. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope this